First drive in the Arc Blast Datsun 620. This thing is so cool. It's incredibly raw. No power steering, no power anything. Can you hear that whine of the electric motor? Just taking a little cruise, get used to it. One of the things I was worried about was if I would fit in this truck, but they've completely redone down here. The pedals are centered, and they, because there's no engine, the passenger compartment has extended far into under the hood, so there's actually plenty of room. And because it's a race seat, it's super low, got plenty of room for a helmet. It's actually going to be quite cozy. Alright, so check this out. You can adjust how much regen you get, and when I was first driving it, I was doing 0 regen, or effectively 0. And that just kind of drives like a normal car, what you would imagine. I switched the regen onto soft, but even going 7 miles an hour. Now listen when I come off a regen. Ooh. Gnarly. Gnarly. Now let's see what happens when we do full regen. Alright. Full regen. Push of a button. All I did was switch it right here. Ready? Here we go. Listen, listen. It's crazy. Almost like a turbo blow off, just whinier. Everyone's happy to see us. This is great. Nice group of people at Lemons. The other EV team, there's a Bolt in there. Chevy Bolt, the electric turtle. They're going to be racing 25 hours too, trying to get the win there. Good fun. All right, back to the easy regen. It just kind of coasts. All right, we're turning. Heading out for the shakedown.